Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube. Twitter we don't know about still. We're still waiting on the answer on that one. Don't worry, I'll find a way to get back. Can't stop me, you can only hope to contain me. Anyway, this is the November Birchbox. I don't know what the theme is. It's some kind of holiday. Little Luxuries is the theme. Yes, Little Luxuries. So we have like a little holiday list here. Instead of like gifts, it's creating holiday memories. And then we have fun little products. So let's get into those fun little things. So hey guys, got the fun little Birchbox. It's adorable. It's got like, you know, little, I don't know, wintry scene there or something, little fall scene. Little Luxuries. So, I don't know what holiday memories, but, you know, we'll figure them out. Oh, first time sampling in this product. We've got the Acure Seriously Smoothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Now, I do not know what night oil, but it says, did you know your skin best repairs itself while you're sleeping? So I guess you roll this all over your face, your neck, wherever you want to. Night cream or whatever. I'll probably use it like near my eyes or whatever. It smells pretty good. It's got a nice relaxing smell to it. Then, Davines. Oh my God. I love shampoo. That's right. I love shampoo. Like one of my favorite shampoos. I'm so happy when this ends up in my box. Oh my gosh. Yay! Then we have a Wonder Beauty. We got some Mile High Club mascara. I'd open it up, but that starts the timer on it. Yes, you should only have once the oxygen gets in there, you got about 3 months to use that, if that. Then we have Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I believe I've gotten this in Sephora before. This is not the one that smells gross. I just know that. There's one, I think it's called Good Genes. It's in a white one. It smells horrible. Oh, it's the lactic acid treatment. I hate it. Then we have Juliette Has A Gun perfume. I love this one. Then finally, Doucce. Doucce, is that how you pronounce it? Oh, don't watch it. If you're my orthodontist, don't watch this. Oh, I know. I shouldn't be opening stuff with my teeth. But usually I have this stuff unwrapped beforehand, and I just didn't realize that this had plastic on it. Okay, so it's, I always pronounce it wrong. It's like Doucce or whatever. Anyway, it is Luscious Lip Stain in Holiday Getaway. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, it tastes kind of funny. Okay. Well, it's a lip stain. There we go. Those are Little Luxuries. I promise I'm going to get the Twitter problem resolved. But anyway, follow me on Instagram. I need to build that following anyway. Maybe it's a sign from the universe. Build that Instagram. There you go. Till next time, stay beautiful.